Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily fix Rosetta Stone fatal error 4 zeros. To begin, we need first to change the time temporarily. So we will go to settings, click on the settings to open. You can always open the settings from the start menu and click on this little wheel and it should open for you the settings. Next step, click on time and language. Deselect or untick set the time automatically. And here you want to change the country and you want also to change the time. You can choose whatever time suits you, just for now. Click change and wait for a bit. Next step, go to your search bar and type services. Click on the services to open. Click on any of these options and press the letter R in your keyboard until you reach Rosetta Stone Diamond. So here it is. Double click on it. Select start because here it says service status stopped. So click start. Click OK and close services. As a next step, we will go and click on Rosetta Stone to begin. So Rosetta Stone will be loading and it should be fully functional as of now. Click on your username and access your course. Now we can exit if we are not going to use it, close, go back to settings, set the time and date automatically, go back to the correct time zone, and you can close your settings. As of now, Rosetta Stone should be working. If you get the same error after a certain time, you can just repeat this fix and it should fix it for you. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.